Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to solve OpenAI services are not available in your country. So before we actually start, we first have to check the availability of OpenAI or ChatGPT on different regions or country. So let's go to our browser here and we'll do a simple Google search. So just type in ChatGPT, GPT, country availability, and from here you'll see all of the countries that currently ChatGPT is actually available. So let's open up this first link here, and from here you will be able to see all of the countries that currently ChatGPT is currently available. So mostly ChatGPT is actually available for most countries here, but if you don't see your country here, then we'll have to do a few things to fix this issue. So the first thing that I would actually suggest you to do is to first try open up ChatGPT or OpenAI into a private window. So in your browser, you want to click on the top right of your screen. That's where the three dotted icon is. And from here, you want to go to new incognito window. So basically, if you're using incognito window, we're basically deleting all of the previous data. It wouldn't restrict us with our previous installations. Like for example, if you have plugins or your previous search histories or your previous cookies, that will not actually include it in your private window here. So just try ahead and access OpenAI's website and their services and see if that works. So if that doesn't work, we have our second solution. So for our second solution, we'll try to actually delete all cookies and data we have on our browser. So to do this, you want to go to the top right of your screen again. That's where the three dotted icon is. And from here, you want to go to settings. Under settings, you want to go to privacy and security. And from here, you want to go to cookies and other site data. And here you want to scroll down a bit until you see the see all site data and permissions, and from here you want to look for the openai.com entry. Now from here you want to click on the OpenAI delete button here, remove openai.com, and from here you just need to click on the clear option here and try accessing OpenAI website again and see if the services now works for you. Now, if that doesn't still work, then we have our third and final solution. So for this solution, we're going to suggest you to actually use a VPN. So for the VPN that we actually going to suggest you, you actually get 5 GB of data for free if you're going to use this one. So it's going to be Atlas VPN. It's a free software that you could get. But yeah, you get 5 gigabytes of free data, and afterwards you can go ahead and buy their services, and from there you will be able to access ChatGPT whenever you can. So there's different servers that you can connect from for different countries. So you could just go ahead and go to this specific article here. Like for example, if it's available in Nepal, you could connect to Nepal. You could also connect to New Zealand server in Atlas VPN, or properly you could actually access this on a US server, because primarily is actually readily available on US servers. So I would suggest you to connect to a US server in the VPN for you to guarantee access on the ChatGPT or OpenAI services. So here in this website, you want to go ahead and download Atlas VPN. Just click on Get Atlas VPN. And from here, you could just go ahead and install Atlas VPN. So if you don't see the installation for Atlas VPN here, you can just type in Atlas VPN download. And from here, it's going to show you the installation service for here. For example, let's go ahead and go for this one first. And just click on download free. So we've just downloaded the Atlas VPN installer. Just need to click on it, and from here just click on run, and basically just install Atlas VPN into your PC. So once you've installed Atlas VPN, that's what's going to look like. So from here, just need to scroll down a bit until you see the section that says US or United States. So that's where we're actually going to connect to. So let's just scroll down a bit until we see US, or you could use the search functionality here. So let's just say United, and here. So you have two options for location on United States. You have Los Angeles and New York. So let's try Los Angeles. And from here, it's going to automatically connect into the Los Angeles server. And from here, you just need to turn on this. And from here, you just need to go to ChatGPT and reload your website here. And hopefully ChatGPT or OpenAI services will now be available to you. So if you want to conserve your data on Atlas VPN so that you don't immediately consume your 5 gigabytes of data, you just need to click on the switch button here, and it's automatically going to disconnect from your VPN, and you'll be able to save your gigabyte of data here. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.